Welcome. In this video, let's walk through how to combine a scheduled work order created from a maintenance reminder with an existing open issue. Here we have a scheduled work order. It was automatically created from a maintenance reminder for an oil change. It's still in the open state and hasn't been assigned yet. You'll notice the tasks are already populated. These come directly from the linked reminder. Let's edit the work order now. Let's assign a technician first and choose the due in time. You will see all the instructions are also pre-populated from the reminder. You can also add an existing issue in this work order. Simply search for the issue and select it. It's now part of the same job card. Once everything looks good, hit Save. The work order now includes both the scheduled maintenance task and the issue. Keep in mind, the work order status remains open until your technician accepts the job from their end. You'll be notified once they begin work. Done. Your scheduled task and issue are now combined. Try it yourself today.